Welcome to the Black Warrior floor plan here at Capstone Village. As you enter the apartment, you'll immediately be in the formal dining room, and to your right will be the kitchen. This kitchen will be renovated before our next resident, and it will get quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and all new appliances. Connected to the dining room is the living room with nice high ceilings, which connects to the den or study through some pocket doors. You'll notice the nice large windows let in lots of natural light. As you go towards the hallway, immediately on your right will be the stackable washer dryer, then a coat closet, and then you enter the bedroom, again with high ceilings. The walk-in closet is inside the master bathroom, and this bathroom will also be renovated with quartz countertops and a new mirror. The whole apartment will get new updated lighting and a fresh coat of paint. The Black Warrior is one of our one-bedroom, one-bath floor plans here at Capstone Village.